Greetings traveler, I'm SnapJelly, and in the last unboxing video I had Victoria there to keep me company, and a lot of you guys seemed to like that, so I got another box and I got another surprise for you. No one. She's not here. But I do have another box. I don't, actually, it's a package. It's not a box. This is already becoming a disappointment. I hear your cries, alright? In the last video, a lot of people seemed upset that I used scissors instead of a knife of some sorts to open my girlfriend's box. So, I listen to you guys, alright? What you guys want is really important to me, so I got a knife to open this box. See? It's cute. It has a little pig on the end with a nose snout thingy that's off to the side. I think it's pretty cute. If you want me to review this knife, post in the comments. I'm gonna open my box now. Actually, this is a pretty awkward as well because it's from Name and Fencing. And Name and Fencing. I ordered this this package on the 16th of February, and it's the 11th of April now. So that's almost 2 months. And their website says, you know, oh, it will take 7 to 15 days for your package to arrive. And, you know, it arrived this morning, and yesterday evening I sent them an angry email saying, "Where's my package, bitch? It's been 2 months!" That's not what the email said. My email was a lot more polite, but, you know, the aggressive intonation and potential swearing was heavily implied, at least. And here it is, haha. So, anyway. Naaman, just please be honest on your website, alright? Don't post, oh, 7 days on your website if it takes 2 months. People are willing to wait for this shit anyway, so if it's 2 months, just say 2 months, or don't say anything. That's better than having people be like, oh, I'm gonna get this next week or the week after, that's fine, and then having to wait 2 months. Anyway, opening the package. Let's go. Guess what's inside? It's not a sex toy, I swear. It could be used as one. I will use this one, but it's not intended to be one. My mom always told me to use protection, so I got myself some. Haha, it's terrible, dude. Alright, so these are the Inigo Montoya gloves by Naaman. Isn't that funny? Because I look like, I really don't look like Inigo Montoya that much. I don't know why people say that. Anyway, I used to use the Vechtschule model from sparring gloves, and those really just did not work for me very well, to be honest. So I tried these. I can try these out actually in a few hours because I got Hema today, so that's actually in a weird way convenient that they arrived today. So right off the bat, I gotta say that I already noticed a problem that I pretty much have with any glove, and that is that my hands are not very wide, and now my pinky finger is kind of being pulled that way. Really. Pretty much, in terms of mobility, it's pretty good. I guess we'll just turn this into a half-assed review because I don't have much more to say other than this. I really like this thumb. Really, that's what I also liked on the previous one that I used. The thumb is kind of encapsulated, as you can see here. And that prevents compression injury, because if your thumb, or actually any of your fingers, only have like shells at the top here, then what can happen is if you get smacked on that, your finger will still just get crushed between the hilt of your sword and the plate at the top here, so you can still get injured. And if the thumb is encapsulated like this, that really prevents that. That's something that I really like. It's always a struggle trying to figure out new gloves. Gloves they always suck. One way or another, they're always very restrictive, and you're just gonna really have to find the ones that work best for you. which is a lot of trial and error and costs a lot of money. And, well, There's always something wrong with them. Is basically just the point. So far, these seem pretty promising. I'm actually I'm curious. I'm curious to see how they perform. And if they perform bad, then I'm just gonna have to get some new ones. Gosh, alright, well, I'm bad at these things. I have nothing else to say of interest. Naaman, please don't tell people anymore that it will only take 2 weeks, because it won't. And here are my gloves. They suck. Did you guess that it was gonna be gloves? If you guessed right, then you win the right to subscribe to this channel. Help me on my road to 50k. If this is the first video of mine that you watched, then you're gonna be horribly disappointed. And if this is the last video of mine that you watched, then still I understand, because this video is a disappointment. But if you stuck around this long, you might as well subscribe. I already said that, and also follow me on social media. The links are in the description below. And thank you for joining my quest, and I hope you'll join me in the next one. Bye, guys.